Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome you all for today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Bhatt and Bhatt Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics for Navodaya, Sainik as well as RNS School entrance exam. So well my dear students, in the last session we were discussing about the chapter of simple interest, and there we had got to know the theory part of it, and we have learned some of the formulas too. And if you people have visited the last session, please go through the description box and watch your previous class video. So well, let's move on to today's session. And in today's session, let us start solving the problems based on the simple interest and based on all those 5 formulas. So come, let's quickly move on to today's session. The first question of today, see to the question, find the simple interest if P is equal to, that is your principal is equal to 1000, R is equal to 20% per annum. You can ask me, ma'am, what is per annum? Per annum is for 1 year. Per month, PM if they give, it is understood it is for per month, that is for 1 month, okay? So per annum, and T is 4 year. So this is your question. So what you have to find? You have to find simple interest. They have given you P, R and T. All the required information they have given. So let's move on quickly now. Simple interest is equal to, use the formula, PRT divided by 100. P is 1000. R is 20%, write only 20, into T is 4, divided by 100. In the last class, you people asked me why we have to write 100. See here, 20% can be written it as 20 by 100. Fine. So now, 2 zeros will get cancelled. 10 into 20, it is 200. Sorry, 10 into 20, so into 4. So which will give you 400 rupees. So this is your answer. So 400 is your simple interest. Make a note. So fine. Hope you all copied the first one. Now I'll go with the second one. All of you have a look into the second question now. The question number 2. Find principal, SI is 36, that is simple interest they have given you as 36, R is 3% per annum, okay, and time it is 3 year. This is your info. So with this info, let us go with the solution. We have to find principal. To find principal, we have the formula 100 into SI, 100 into simple interest divided by rate into time, 100 into what is the simple interest? 36 divided by rate into time. Rate is 3, time is 3, 100 we have already taken, so again no need to take 100. So now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So 100 into 4 again it is 400. So this is actually 800. Okay, make a note. So fine, hope you all understood the second one. Now I'll go with the third one. All of you have a look into the third question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find the amount, if P is rupees 100, that is your principal, okay. If P is rupees 100, R is 3% per annum, and T, that is 2 year. The time is 2 year. So we'll go with a solution. What we have to find? Amount. To find the amount, the formula is P plus I, principal plus interest. Interest is not given, principal is given. First we have to find the interest. So to find the interest, we have the formula PRT by 100. So what is P? 100. What is R? 3. T is 2 divided by 100. 100 ones are 100 ones are. So what is the simple interest? Now you have got 6 is your simple interest. So what is the principal? 100. On 100, the interest is 6 rupees. So your amount is rupees 106. Make a note. So fine. Hope you all copied the third one. So now I'll go with the fourth one. All of you have a look into the fourth question. Find the rate. Find the rate. The rate, that means you have to find R, percent, find the rate percent when they have given the information regarding P, that is principal is rupees 400, simple interest is rupees 60, and time it is 4 years. So with this info, you have to find the rate. To find the rate, we have the formula SI into 100 divided by P into T, that is principal into time. So now simple interest, that is 60 into 100 divided by principal, that is 400, and what is the time period? 4. 100 ones are 100 fours are. Okay. So again now 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So which is equal to 15 by 4% is your rate. Make a note. So fine. Hope you all copied the fourth one. Now I'll go with the fifth one. All of you have a look into the fifth question. So the question number 5, find the time, that is you have to find the T, and they have given when P is equal to, they have given principal as 10,000, comma, R is 18% per annum, the rate, comma, and SI, that is your simple interest, they're telling it is 12,600 rupees. Okay. So what you have to find? You have to find the time. To find the time, we have the formula. So go with the formula. T is equal to 100 into simple interest divided by P into R. So 100 into, what is the simple interest over that? 12,600 divided by, what is the P here? 10,000. And what is R? 18%, that is 18. So now 20, 20, 20, 20, and you have 18 divided by 126. 18 ones are, 18 sevens are. So 7 year is your time period. Make a note. And why 7 year? Because it is per annum. So year will come. Make a note. So fine. Hope you all copied. So now I'll go with the sixth question. Have a look into it. Find the interest on rupees 500 for 4 years at 6% per annum. So this is your question. Look into the question. Don't get confused. You have to find the interest on 500. So you have to find interest on 500. That means it's understood. This is not the interest amount. This is the principal amount. So on 500, you have to find the interest for 4 years. So what is 4 year now? Time. At 6% per annum. What is 6%? R. So what you have to find? Simple interest. Again PTR by 100. So what is the principal? 500. What is the time? 4 year. And what is the rate? 6 divided by 100. 100 ones are 100 fives are 5 fours are 20. 26 are 120. So 120 rupees is your interest. Make a note. So fine, hope you all copied the 6th one. Now I'll go with the 7th one. All of you look into the 7th one now. So concentrate on the 7th question now. In what time will the interest on? In what time will the interest on rupees 2,600 amount to rupees 156 at 8% per annum. So this is your info. See to the question, at what time, that means you have to find the time, will the interest on 2,600. So 2,600 is your principal amount, rupees 2,600. You have to find the time and it amounts to 156. That means this amount should be amounts to amount. What is the meaning of amount? At the end you will get it right, including the interest. That is the amount. So that amount that they have given, that is the interest, that is 156, and they have given you the rate 8%. So what is info? We have to find T. T is equal to 100 into simple interest divided by P into R. And now 100 as it is, simple interest 156, the P that is principal 2,600 into R that is 8. 20 will get cancelled, and now I'll go with 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 twos are 26. Again 2 fours are 8, 2 sixes are 12. Okay, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 3 by 2 into 2 it is 4. So what is the time period is given? 3 by 4. So that means nearly I can tell 3 by 4th of time. That means how many months you can, if you want, you can convert or else you can live. So in the option, since it is 3 by 4, I am leaving here. Make a note. So fine, hope you all copied the 7th one. I'll go with the 8th one. All of you have a concentrate on the 8th question now. The 8th question, find the SI. Find the SI, that is you have to find the simple interest on rupees 800 at 6% per annum, for 9 months. So this kind of question you will get, an important question, listen to it. So what you have to find? You have to find the simple interest on this amount. So this is the principal amount. So you have to find simple interest. They have given you the principal amount. They are telling it is 800 rupees and they are telling the rate it is 6% per year is charging, and they have given the time 9 months. Out of 12 months, he is giving it for 9 months. Here you can see interest just charging for the whole year, but the time period only 9 months they are giving out of 12 months. What you have to do in this situation? Put the formula first, PTR by 100. So what is the principal here? 800. What is the time? 9 months. 9 divided by 12. Out of 12 months, 9 months interest into rate, how much it is? 6%. 6 into 100. So 100 ones are 100 eights are. Again 4 3 okay. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, again 3 1s are 3 2s are, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 4 into 9, it is 36. So what is the simple interest now? The simple interest is rupees 36. Make a note. So fine, hope you all copied. I'll go with the 9th question. Have a look into the 9th question, everyone now. The question number 9. In how many years will a sum of, in how many years will a sum of rupees 700 yield an interest of rupees 140 at 5% per annum. So this is your question. Look into the question once. What you have to find here? In how many years? That means you have to find the time. Will a sum of rupees 700. So what is the sum of rupees 700? It is principal. Okay. Yield and interest of. Interest, how much they are telling it is? That is 140. So that means 700 should become 140 when they have given the rate. That means when they have given 5% per annum or for 700 rupees, it has to become 140. In how many years it will become? So time is equal to, put the formula of time, that is 100 into SI divided by P into R. 100 into, what is SI here? 140. What is principal? That is 700. What is R? 5. 100 ones are, 100 sevens are, 7 ones are, 7 20s are, 5 ones are, 5 fours are. So now how many year? It is 4 year. Make a note. Fine. Hope you all copied the 9th one. So now let me go with the 10th one. Or if you have a look into the 10th question now. Question number 10. Ram borrowed rupees 50,000. Ram borrowed rupees 50k, that is 50,000 from a bank, full stop. If the bank charges interest at, if the bank charges interest at 10% per annum, how much amount shall, how much amount shall Ram pay after 2 years? Shall Ram pay after 2 years? So this is your question. Have a look into the question 1. Ram has borrowed 50,000 from the bank. Bank is the lender, Ram is the borrower. If the bank charges interest 10% per annum. So whatever the Ram has borrowing 15,000, on that the bank is charging 10% per annum, and you have to see how much amount shall Ram will pay after 2 years. After 2 years, how much amount the Ram will be paying, you have to find it out. To find that, we use the formula. So before that, we'll write the things. Principal 50,000 and the bank charges interest, that is the rate 10% per annum, and the amount, so time 2 years, and you have to find the amount. To find the amount, principal plus interest. Interest is not there here. First let us find the interest. Interest is equal to PTR by 100. What is P? 50,000. P 2 year, and the rate 10% divided by 100. 10, 10, 10, 10. So 5,000 twos are, it is rupees 10,000. So what is the interest you have got now? 10,000. What is the principal? 50,000. So 50 plus 10, which is nothing but 60,000. So finally, when he wanted to, Ram needs to return to the bank. On that time, he must give to the bank rupees 60,000. Make a note.